Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super yummy ginger shots. Usually you would need a juicer to make them, but today I'm going to teach you how you can make them at home with only a blender. And I'm also going to teach you how to make this super yummy tea that you can make with leftovers from the shots. That way you get the most out of every ingredient that you use. These wellness shots are actually really great for your health for many reasons, which we're going to discuss during the video. And you should be consuming them on a regular basis. So if you want to improve your health and learn how to make them, just keep on watching. Alright, bottoms up. Ah. Wow, that was good. Alright, so these are the ingredients I usually use. You can obviously take out or add any ingredient that you want. Like I said, this is just what I make it with. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut up the ginger in chunks. I love using ginger in wellness shots for many reasons, and some of these are the fact that it reduces inflammation, fights off nausea, helps with muscle pain, prevents heart diseases, it helps with menstrual pain, lowers bad cholesterol, helps prevent cancer, it increases brain functionality, fights infections, and it also helps to improve dental health. So due to its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, ginger may boost immune health. Plus, ginger has powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. And one last thing, it decreases hunger, which helps you reduce body weight. So why would you not want to add it to a wellness shot, right? Now we're gonna move on to the second ingredient, which is celery. I like using celery because it's a great source of antioxidants. It also helps reduce inflammation, it supports digestion, and it's also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. But another reason why I like to use it's because celery is made of 95% water, so I'd rather just use celery, which is better for you than just regular water. Next, we're going to juice 1.5 lemons. They are a great source of vitamin C. They help with weight loss, help prevent kidney stones. They have antibacterial properties which can help with throat infections, and they also help with digestion. Now we're going to blend our 3 ingredients together with a high power blender for about 30 seconds to a minute. And now we're going to use an infuser to extract all the liquids from the pulp. I like to use this infuser from David's Tea because it's very fine, but if you don't have one of these, you can also use a cloth. Now try to extract as much of the liquid as you can and put the pulp aside because that's what we're going to use for the tea later. I'm silly, and instead of using the pitcher, I used the cup, so I had to do 2 separate batches, but you can do everything in one, so you can basically skip all of this. I ended up combining the 2 batches and taking out 2 ounces out of that glass so I could take a shot, which is the one I took at the beginning of the video. Oh yeah, and you can also add some cayenne pepper at the end if you want. Now to make the tea, you're gonna want to boil about 1.5 liters of water. Once the water starts boiling, just add the pulp, stir it, cover it, and cook it for about 2 minutes in medium heat. And the last step is just to add 2 green tea bags to it and just let it sit. So I waited about 20 minutes after I put the green tea bags into the pot, and then I just used the infuser to just get the liquids out of it, and this is what it looks like. And then when I'm ready to drink it, all I do is just pour it into a glass and just put some honey in there, and that's it. It is a little bit spicy, so I don't know if it's for everyone, but if you're drinking ginger shots, I'm sure you're gonna be okay with it. To be honest, I love it. I have the shots and this every single day. I have 1 shot in the morning of 1 ounce, and then I have another one in the afternoon of another ounce, and then I have like a full glass of this. I don't know if that's too much ginger. I hope it's not, because I love it. I love having ginger all day, every day. So I would love to know if you guys actually try them, so please let me know down below, and also let me know if you would like me to make more videos like this one, like more detox beverages or more wellness shots that I make. I don't know. Let me know down below. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Today's shout out goes to this beautiful person. Thank you so much for your love and support. And if you would like a shout out as well, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down the first 30 minutes that I post a video, and that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!